These thumbnails are all for the same video with the exact same content. But unlike the thumbnail on the left, which I actually labored over for 30 minutes, the alternate thumbnails that you see on the right were created in about the time as it takes to load up the Canva website. Before anybody ever watches your YouTube video, they gotta click on it. And that decision is made in about 2 seconds, and it's all about the thumbnail. And if you're not a designer, like me, the thumbnail can be an afterthought or the biggest pain in the butt of the whole process. That's why today I'm happy to partner with Thumbmagic, who is sponsoring this video, because they've actually created an AI thumbnail creator that not only creates amazing looking thumbnails, but actually has real data behind its creative decisions. Most AI thumbnail generation programs out there are really just glorified AI image generation programs that produce images that are shaped like and look somewhat like thumbnails. But the problem is, images created like that don't have any relationship to what actually performs in terms of gaining clicks. It doesn't understand visual hierarchy, and it doesn't know what's going on in your niche right now. And if your face is featured on that channel, some of these AI generators are lacking in the face department. Good thumbnail strategy, when you do it right, is about borrowing from what is currently working. Nothing lasts forever, and so we're always looking for what kind of thumbnails are getting the clicks. And if you're smart, you're going to look at those visual patterns and you're going to incorporate some of that into your own design. This isn't about copying or plagiarizing, it's about studying the marketplace and learning what works. Take a look at a channel like MrBeast, one of the biggest channels on YouTube. These guys will come up with 50 different title and thumbnail ideas and then do hundreds of variations on them with an entire team to choose just the right one. So if the biggest channels on the platform believe that thumbnails are an important part of the equation, then perhaps we all should too. Thumbmagic is one of the few tools that is actually built on this idea, not just to create a well-composed image, but generating images that will perform. So let me show you how it works. You can set up an account at Thumbmagic for free, and you don't need a credit card or anything like that. And once you are in, it's time to tell Thumbmagic about your video. Now you can either paste a YouTube link to a video that's already been uploaded, you can upload the video if it's local on your computer, or you can give it the transcript to tell it what's going on. So let's just try this out on one of the videos on my channel that has an older design thumbnail that I want to update. So all we need to do is get the link for that video, just copy it, and then paste it right into Thumbmagic, and you'll get a preview here of the current thumbnail. Then just click Process Video. After a few seconds, you are ready to start designing. The first thing worth trying is actually down here at the bottom, and that is the AI Designer, particularly if you have no concept about how you want to approach this. AI Designer analyzes over 200 of the top performing videos in your niche and will help you design your thumbnail based on the content of the video and what's working right now in terms of click-through. But before you generate anything, if you are part of your brand and you have your face in these videos, you're going to want to create an avatar so that you can have a consistent look from video to video. Of course, I've already created one here, but it's a super simple process of just clicking Create Avatar, giving it a name, and uploading up to 3 pictures, preferably from different angles so the model has some flexibility, and then just click Create Avatar. Once you do that, that avatar appears in your list, and then you just click Generate Thumbnail and see what the AI Designer comes up with. So here was the original, new Suno features, mashup sounds, and vocals, and now we have a much more simplified, eye-catching thumbnail that actually does have the features that we're talking about. It mentioned Suno and adding the vocals and the mashup, so before and after. And that's just one generation. It actually provides you with 2 generations with every pass, but in this case it gave me 4 fingers, although I like this. But that's where the ability to modify comes in. We click on Modify, and now we have various ways we can edit this image. Here I want to fix the hand so it has the right amount of fingers. So I'm just going to follow these instructions to click on the part of the image you want to change and then describe the edit, which is fix the hand so he has 5 fingers instead of 4. Well, it gave me 5 fingers, but what I probably should have said was have him hold up 3 fingers. There we go, perfect. And we could use that same feature to modify text, but if we want to add text, we can click the text box, choose fonts, move things around just like a real designing program. In this case, I don't want that extra text, but if I wanted to change the style completely, we have pre-made choices here. And if I wanted him to be more surprised, for example, I can change the emotion just by choosing from an emoji down here. Let's say shocked. And if you created other avatars and you want to switch that avatar in for this one, you would just choose face and choose from your list of avatars. Now remember, that design came from what the AI Designer thought would be good based on its research on my niche. But if you wanted to try another design, you have all of these templates here based on thumbnails that have been proven to generate click-throughs. They have a whole collection here in the YouTube format. They have them in the Instagram and TikTok format. And if you do faceless videos, they have some for that as well. So if I wanted one of these multiple point of view styles, I would just choose that. I have a switch here to choose how much it's going to look like me. In my experience, if I leave this checked, I'm always going to be smiling just like in my original image, and turning that off gives me a little bit of emotional range. So I'm going to choose that option. So now we have 2 more thumbnails of a completely different style, but both visually really eye-catching. But if you thought creating great thumbnails was all this program could do, It's not. Check this out up here. AI Titles provide you SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags ready to copy and paste, in addition to descriptions for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts. So I could just copy a brand new title, update the title down here, and upload the updated thumbnail. Now, of course, I can just keep choosing other styles and generating thumbnails, and before you know it, you're going to have 10 or so different thumbnails that you can test against each other, all with different styles, all related to your video, and all using designs that are proven to get clicks. So this gaming characters template created these images, which I think are super fun and still communicate what the video is about, with even a strong call to action right on it. And then I think I'd like to do some A/B testing with this more whimsical thumbnail. So now I have a whole new A/B test ready to go, and this is great for livening up old videos that you think still have some juice left in them, or to maybe fix or tweak the effectiveness of a recent video that isn't getting the traction that you think it oughta. Another super exciting feature that I saved for the last is the replicate feature. This allows you to emulate the design and presentation of the most effective thumbnails you can find. This isn't about doing some kind of a screenshot of somebody else's thumbnail and then sticking your stuff on top of it. This tool is actually analyzing the visual structure of the image, analyzing the spacing of the text, the amount of text, and all those elements that made it so clickable, and then it's going to apply those concepts to your content on your thumbnail. So let's see if we can give a creative boost to one of these videos that I did for Open Art. First, I'm just going to grab that URL, create a new project, and paste it in, and click on Process Video. Then I'll go over to Open Art's channel, and I'll look at their most recent thumbnails, and I'll find a design I'd like to emulate to maintain some kind of brand consistency. Here's one that I did for them, and I like the look of that thumbnail. I'm just going to grab the URL of this video. Then back in Thumbmagic, I click on Replicate and paste that YouTube link right in here. Click on Use this thumbnail, make any adjustments to the character, and click Generate. And now it has created two unique thumbnails that follow the basic design of that original thumbnail without outright copying it. This tool turned this thumbnail into this thumbnail, and turned this cluttered mess into this, and this thumbnail into these. The link for Thumbmagic is in the description. Remember, you get 3 free thumbnails just for signing up, and if you do decide to subscribe, I have a 10% discount for you in the description, which I will keep there as long as that discount is active. If these are the types of creative AI breakthroughs you like to hear about, well, why not subscribe to this channel? Because this is the stuff we like to play with all the time.